Eduze kwami usibonele Nomvalo unobhala we-MK National asibingelela.
Siyabingelela ninjani mfowethu?
Siyaphila.
Hayi siyaphila.
Mhlambe umbuzo nje wokuqala ukuthi bekubaleka kangakanani ukuthi nilethe le memorandum namhlanje la?
Bekubalekile ngoba le memorandum ithinta ama-issues amaningi a-affect abantu bakithi la eThekwini. Eyokuqala indaba ye-corruption yenkohlakalo ekhona la eThekwini esiyitholile. Eyesibili ukuhamba kancane kwama-services ukuya endaweni udoti kunendawo ongaqoqwa kuzona amalokishi angcolile iTheku libolile the city the infrastructure is dilapidated but also kunamabhilidi which have been surrendered to illegal immigrants. Uhulumeni akana strategy akana mechanism to respond to that. Criminals are ahead of the police. So also ama-allegations athinta ama-officials asebenza la emkhandlweni. I-allegation yokuqala ukuthi umphathi womkhandlu city manager uhola umuholo kamasipala ka-category 10 whereas lo mkhandlu u-category 8. Also ama-allegations ngento ye-EPWP ukuthi i-EPWP isisetshenziswe yaba amavolontiya kaKhongolose. Even nalabo abangaphakathi ku-EPWP abangawona uKhongolose bayaphoqwa ukuthi bafake ikhipha zikaKhongolose, bayaphoqwa ukuthi ba-attend ama-programs kaKhongolose, bayaphoqwa ukuthi bakhampeyina lokhu Khongolose. So in summary, those are issues that we are raising in our memorandum.
Enye i-resolution eniyithathile ukuthi upresident eParliament mengena niyaphuma. Isiphi isizathu salokho?
No, isizathu ukuthi sesimnike isikhathi esanele esokuthi akazama ukuyiprove ukuthi umholi kubantu base-South Africa. So uma umlaleli eParliament kufana ukuthi uyamu-honorisha, umnikeza i-dignity and it does not deserve our dignity as the MK party. It does not even deserve our ears. We can't listen to Ramaphosa. The only thing we can do is to meet him in the impeachment committee. That's where we will meet him. That's where we'll have a discussion with him. That's where we will ask questions to him. Not in Parliament, because there's no point of listening to a person who's going to tell lies. Because when he goes there to Parliament, he's going to lie. So we don't have time for that.
Why you felt it's so important to come out regarding the issue of March and March now?
No, in March and March, we believe that one, they are doing the right thing. But two, they are under attack for no good reason. Into abayilwayo March and March, incane understand. I mean inkulu. Two, it's genuine. Ama-illegal immigrants la kulelizwe asemoshe kakhulu and are untraceable. Mabe commit a crime kunzima nokuthi baboshwe because abatholakali ku-system ka-Home Affairs. So illegal immigration goes hand in hand with the enhancement and with the growth of crime in South Africa. So a fight against illegal immigration is a fight against crime. So why do you then criticize a person who's fighting against illegal immigration? Because that person is fighting against criminality. Yeah.
Really appreciate your time.
Now I appreciate also the opportunity. Thank you.